All right, this is at the Element Hotel in Moline.
Going down. Basement.
Hopefully it's not locked. All right, cool. Yeah, that card reader doesn't exactly look like it's working right now.
Sixth floor. Going down.
Definitely a swanky looking building here. And I don't know why the elevators are staggered like this. Kind of strange. Look at this COP. Good Lord, what happened to the paint? No certificate. Also, take a look at this here. The history of the building. Pause if you'd like to read that.
First floor.
Anyway, they still have the COVID sign up. That's all.